In March last year, TEPCO engineers deployed a robot inside the building that houses the number 2 reactor. It took samples from the contaminated concrete floor using a drill. The goal was to study the contamination levels inside the building. A number of robots have already been used inside the plant, carrying out inspections and decontamination work. One of them sprayed dry ice onto the floors and walls, which was then scraped off, along with the decontamination. Robots have also been used to study the condition of the containment vessels that enclose the reactors. In November 2013, officials confirmed for the first time that the robot had found contaminated water leaking from the containment vessel of the number 1 reactor. But there are limits to what robots can do. The inside of the reactor buildings are littered with debris. That makes it difficult for robots to move around freely. They often become stuck and are irretrievable. Another major obstacle is the intense levels of radiation. These are images from the inside of the containment vessel of the number 2 reactor. They were shot using an endoscopic camera. The white dots are generated by radiation. When approaching nuclear fuel, even robots can malfunction or fail to capture clear images. In another examination, engineers try to avoid such glitches by minimizing the use of computer circuits. However, the probe could only operate for 2 days. Government and TEPCO officials will eventually examine the inside of the containment vessel of the number 2 reactor as well. Chiaki Ishikawa, NHK World.